Hello, in this video we're gonna check if iPhone 14 Pro has a stereo speakers. So to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's no speakers. On the left side there's also no speakers. On the right the same thing, no speakers. On the bottom we can find two speakers, back also no speakers, and on top of the screen right here there's one speaker, which is phone call speaker. Now we need to play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from at least two sources, that would mean this device has a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that means it's a mono speaker. Now let's play music. So clearly the sound is coming from all of the speakers, and that would mean this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.